Chicago's Chinatown, rich in culture, bursting with flavor, and let's be honest, a little overwhelming if you don't know where to begin. That's where we come in. Join Bobby's Bike Hike on our award-winning Chinatown food and culture walking tour, where our expert local guides lead you through a 1-mile easy stroll, filled with fascinating stories of Chinese migration, regional cuisines, and the respected traditions that shaped this colorful, historic community. Why dine at one restaurant when you can taste 5? That's right, 5 incredible eateries, each representing a different region of China. From savory dumplings to hand-pulled noodles, unique sandwiches to melting-your-mouth traditional Chinese specialties. And yes, we even saved room for dessert. Take your taste adventure to the next level with our VIP upgrade, featuring 3 drink pairings, Chinese beer, plum wine, and artisanal teas that celebrate centuries of tradition in every sip. Our tastings are generous. The walk is light and designed for all ages, and every restaurant we visit is clean, wholesome, and top tier. And here's the best part. Bobby's Bike Hike was just named one of the top 20 food tours in the world by TripAdvisor. Chicago's Chinatown is easily accessible from downtown via the CTA Red Line and has plenty of affordable parking as well. Whether you're a foodie, a history buff, or just hungry for something new, this is the Chinatown experience you've been waiting for. It's more than just a food tour. It's a journey through culture, flavor, and connection. Come hungry, leave inspired. www.bobbysbikehike.com/Chicago